Hi everyone, and it's time to talk about other types of operators. Sometimes you need to define whether your program is working or not, whether something turned on or turned off, or maybe if user checked the email or message. And basically that means you need to distinguish between two values. For that purpose, JavaScript has Boolean type. This type has only two literals. Those are true and false. Basically these like yes or no or 0 and 1. To show you how it works, I will use comparison operators. And let's start with the simple less than and more than. So as you see, 1 less than 2 gives us true and 1 more than 2 gives us false. Basically, this is two binary operators that take two literals and give you a response, like yes or no. These are strict operators. And of course, they have unstrict version, which is less than or equal and more than or equal. That means that left part of the statement can be less or equal. So if I will change 1 to 2, it will also be true, as well as the second part will also be true because 2 is more or equal to 2. The last two operators are equal and not equal, and they look like this: 2 not equal to 2. And as you see, we have false, of course. And the last one, comparison operator, is equality, which can be denoted as two equal signs. And as you see, since 2 is equal to, it gives us true in the console. The next type of operators are logical operators, and they are pretty interesting. They also help us to work with Boolean types. The next operator is AND operator, and it is also binary, means it works with two values. This operator will return true only if both of the values are true, as you see. So if you have true and true, it will return true, otherwise it will always return false. Another operator is OR, and it will return you false only if both of the values are false. Otherwise, if at least one of the values is true, it will return you true. So that's fairly simple. AND returns true when both values are true, or returns true when at least one of the values is true. And the last operator is unary operator, and it means not. As you see, it changes the value of the Boolean literal to the opposite. Not true is false, not false is true. All these operator things can be a bit confusing because you see them first time. But don't worry, during the next videos you will get in shape with using those. Think about these two videos as a warm-up. And you definitely need to know all the operators to use the language at highest of its capacity. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the video, then you will become a good JS developer. See you in the next one.